Belated Happy Hearts Day to everyone na nagmamahal.
Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube! Ouch! Nadulas ako. Channel! Alright! Today's video, kasama ko si Honey ko. Ayan, naglalakad. Kailangan niyang maglakad dito sa EDSA para pumayat siya. So, belated Happy Hearts Day to everyone na nagmamahal. Okay. So, tanghaling tapat, naglalakad kami, pero hindi ganon ka-araw. Nandun si Haring Araw. Yun siya. So, yung salamin ko, bigay ko ni Habi. Para ako, ano tawag dito? Tutubi. Tutubi. Ingat. Kasi, siguro may leak. Ayan. Dito wala na. Maganda maglakad. Hello, MRT. Pwede kami mag-MRT. 5 minutes lang. Kaso, mas maganda maglakad. Windy. Woo! Hi, honey!
Like and subscribe.
You okay walking?
Walking. Oh yes, I'm walking.
You okay with walking?
All my shirts, all my clothes are getting big. I have to give them to the dog to play with.
You sweating now?
Huh?
Are you sweating now?
No, I'm not sweating. Sorry.
Oh,
I know you like me sweating.
you like to walk? Okay. Kaya yan, EDSA, hinaharap namin yung panganib. Joke lang. Akala ng taxi, sasakay kami. Ayan. So, 2 minutes. Nalakad. Titingnan natin ilang minuto. Ayan na si Happy sa likod ko. Kasama sa usapan namin na maglakad siya. Ayan. Maraming motorcycle. Hindi sila natatakot. Ganito dito sa Pilipinas, hindi nakakatakot at nagmotor. Basta mag-helmet lang. Pupunta kami sa mall. Mag-change item kami ng binili niya para sa basketball na jersey. Kasi yung pinuha niya na XL is Filipino size. Hindi yung US or UK size. So, kuha lang siya ng kuha ang finish niya. Kaya mali-mali yung ginagawa niya. Honey!
What? Honey, what?
Don't forget to watch your
What?
step. Watch your step!
Oh my goodness,
Pero-
Honey Bunch, I've been walking longer than you.
Ayan. So busy. Buti hindi. Ayan. Lakad. 3 minutes na. So, siguro, ang lakad namin most likely 5 to 7 minutes. Hindi siya bad para mag-burn ng calories. Ayun nga pala, kumain kami sa 101 buffet kahapon. Naloka siya kasi sobrang dami ng kinain niya. So, sabi ko
Honey, watch your step.
So, sabi ko, this is your first and last time na kumain ng buffet. Ang sinabi niya, no, hindi daw. Uulitin niya daw yun everywhere. Pero ayaw ko kasi lalaki ko. Mapagod maglakad, pero okay lang. Pinagpapawisan na ako. Are you sweating yet?
No, honey bunch.
No?
Okay, I feel one bead on my forehead somewhere.
Okay.
So it's starting.
Okay.
Get done, I'll be pouring water off me.
Okay. Amoy ihi.
Until I take my shirt off and all the girls come running. My God, he's so handsome!
What? You're what? You're so handsome? Handsome ah? So, Saturday, walang traffic yung EDSA. At 2 p.m., mabilis yung biyahe. Ayan. Malakas ako maglakad. Mabilis ako maglakad. So si Javi mabilis din maglakad. Ganito lang. Ilang minutes lang. 4 minutes. Oh no, 6 minutes na. So, I guess it's a 6 to 8 minutes walk. Or sabihin na natin 8 to 10. Naunan na siya sa akin. Ayan, dala-dala niya yung i-change item namin. Ang bilis niya kasi mamili, hindi niya tinatry. Ayan, ang laki tuloy. Wow! Ah. Kahapon namin binili kasi magpa-basketball siya. Need niya ng jersey. Ayun, so tawag dito. Dahil wala ako, ang kasama niya si Stanley, yung anak ko. Ayun, mali-mali yung nabili niya. So, ganyan, walang traffic. So, ayun. Doon kami sa station na yun, yung main tower. Tapos dito lang kami dyan. Sa next station na yan. So, naka 7 minutes walk na. So, this is a 10-minute walk na place. So, kapag nag-jog ka, ayun, bilisan ko daw maglakad. Yan. Kikita mo na yung mga tower. BGC yun. May mga tower doon. BGC yun. Dating Makati. Ngayon Taguig na siya. Kaya sabi ko kay Javi, pag bumili siya ng mga damit dito sa Pilipinas, try niya. Kasi iba yung Filipino size ha. American size. Sabi niya, no, I'm a Canadian. Sabi ko, whatever. There is no such thing as Canadian. Minsan meron, Canadian, Australian. Pero usually, pag sizes, UK, US. Ayan. Minsan lang makakita ng Australia, Canada. Oops. Hello. So, yan. Okay. Yan siya. Right. Oh. Honey? Filipino that married to a
A foreigner.
foreigner
Yes, I know.
also, yeah? Okay. So, nakasalubong namin yung isang Filipina na kinasal din sa foreigner. Yung foreigner nakangiti sa akin. Tapos, ngumiti ako dun sa wife. Tapos, naghilaw ako. Naglalakad din sila. See, they are walking.
Oh my goodness!
I guess they're also living in San Lorenzo, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah.
probably.
So, I
They're
guess,
walking, I would imagine.
yeah. So, I guess Parehas lang kami ng inuuwian. Ayun. So, marami na talaga mga Filipino na asawa, a fam, a family, a foreigner. Ano nga ba meaning ng a fam? A family and a man. A family
Oh
man.
my goodness, you crazy woman walking on that.
A fam for me means a family man. Okay, so dito yung hotel intersection, guys.
I'm sweating now, honey bun.
Oh, my hand is sweating. Me too.
Here, wanna wipe some sweat on you?
Uh-huh. No, you cannot, honey. So, lakad. Mag-ingat pag naglalakad dito sa Manila kasi masyadong mabilis yung mga sasakyan. Ayan, malapit na kami. Doon tayo sa... Si Habi minsan, hindi siya nagko-cross sa pedestrian. Sabi ko kung nasa Pilipinas siya, dapat sa pedestrian talaga siya. Hindi po pwede kung saan. Ayan. So, lakad. He is sweating right now. Alright. Ayan. Nandito na yung pedestrian. Dito kami magko-cross. Papunta dun sa Glorieta. Let's go, hon.
Okay, honey bunch, let's get run over. I don't think people want to hit me because they might
Thank
get a big
you. Thank you. Ayun. So, dito sa Pilipinas, priority yung mga tumatawid. Kasi maraming tao, maraming Pilipino na walang sasakyan. So, lagi silang priority. Ilang minutes na? Huh? 12 minutes? Honey, it's
I can't hear what you're talking, but
I guess to walk is 10 to 15 minutes. I thought it's just 6 to 10 minutes.
How long is it?
It's 12 minutes now.
Oh my goodness, so it's like 15 minutes total probably.
Yeah. Nice.
To the door, yeah.
Yeah, just sweat hard, right?
I'm sweating good, look at my head.
Yeah. So, yan. Mga tagalinis para mapanatiling malinis yung daanan. Park Square. Whew. So, 12 minutes. Ayan, kita nyo na, pawis na ako. So, di ba maganda? Ito yung nami-miss ko sa Philippines. This is what I miss in the Philippines, hon.
What?
I sweat hard.
Sweat hard, you don't sweat.
I sweat hard, yeah? My back is sweating hard in my
Oh, look
face.
at that nice pork.
Where?
Right there.
Right there! Ayun na. Meron ulit tayong tatawid ulit tayo sa pedestrian. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Okay. So, nag-stop siya kahit diplomat siya. So, we're here. We're here after 13 minutes. So, it's like 13 to 15 minutes of walk. Dito na kami. Later naman, ba?
One eternity later.
Weekends, maraming tao, malamig. Whew. Dito, punong-puno yung
Get one of
Starbucks.
those fancy Stanley hats.
What?
I said I need to get one of those fancy hats. Okay, we need to go.
Ace Hardware. For the duct tape.
No, we're gonna go get this first.
No, duct tape first and then we'll go there.
Okay, fine.
Ayan, punong-puno yung Starbucks dito, guys. Say bye, honey.
Like and subscribe.
Bye!
Ciao.